It's like cold out here. This is the year 2016 and this is known to be a big snowstorm. Right now it's sunny and I can't see anything, but I could try. I'm like gonna measure the snow. See that? That's like more than 6 inches of snow. This is about a feet of snow around here. I don't know. My dad said it's like 10 inches out there. But I think it's more of a feet because right now everyone in my neighborhood is plowing out the snow on the roads. Look, there's icicles around here growing. See? The neighborhood I'm living in has this pounds of snow around their homes. Like you see? See? Right here. This is where the icicles are growing when the water drops and melts in a low temperature. Still melting. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not gonna walk you, I'm gonna let you outside. Stop barking. It's so much deep. I don't know if I can play in the snow. Maybe I can. So deep.